Good morning this morning. Greetings from the smile. With a smile. Do all stay safe, stay strong, stay blessed. And keep on keeping on. Nature indeed nurtures. Let's be nurtured by nature that nurtures us. It's been a while, yes, it is. It has been. But I'm here. And I trust you know of out and about, in and out, up and down. Roving like a rover from place to place. The wandering wanderer in the wilderness. Good morning. A blissful morning. A lovely day. Lots of blessings and opportunities. Please grab them. Make best use of every second of the day. Because you never know the gift of each. Stay safe, stay strong, stay blessed. Keep on keeping on. Just see me releasing and cherishing every moment here. Wow. Wow. Wow, just wow. Yes, you can do same. You sure can do same. Because nature indeed nurtures. And the air one breathes is free. Do have a lovely day and days ahead. Stay safe, stay strong, stay blessed. And keep on keeping on. Walking indeed works, so let's work on it. Let's remember to take care of the environment, protect it, to conserve it, by each planting a tree. Most especially during our birthdays, our anniversaries, or in any landmark achievement, it's good to plant a tree. Because it's going to be there, and it will tell the story. Yes, trees tell stories. And if not for anything, you'll also actually contribute to food security and at the same time, environmental protection. That's a legacy. That should be your legacy. That should be my legacy. That should be our legacy. Yes. Legacy is legacy. The young ones to actually enjoy themselves here. Right? Sports for health. If you don't get well. Physical activity is key. And if you can't walk, please do some walking. That'll be fun. Swim the compound. Wash the dishes. Do something. Yes, you can do something. Engage in physical activity. That actually is assurance to good health, and it ensures definitely. See you when I see you. Have a lovely day and days ahead. Yes, nature nurtures. Here, and it's This is my world, and as Lucky Dube says, this is my game. I'm gonna play it my way, and my game is peace, love, and unity. Happiness is a choice. Because if you have chosen to be stressed, that's your choice. You have a lovely day and days ahead. Stay safe, stay strong, stay blessed. Keep on keeping on. Put a smile on your face, don't let the troubles weigh you down. Listen from Lucky Dube as well. But please be the reason why somebody smiles, somebody actually laughs, and somebody believes in themselves and hopes that better. See you when I see you. Meanwhile, let's move. as walking box. So that's what it is. Welcome to the Atlantic. Opposite the Atlantic Ocean. That's the Atlantic Ocean. Some mists this area. Or there when you were it's welcome to the United States. Welcome to nature. Welcome to nature. See you when I see you. God bless you. Thank you for always being there. Grateful to you for your love, your friendship, your care, your support. Indeed grateful. God bless you.